Hey Zachariah, so you're going to go to clever.com and log in, and it will look like this. And you'll click IXL. Once you get into IXL, you can actually go right here and click Social Studies, or you can go over here to OK Standards. You can just click Social Studies if you want. And these are all of the ones that you have the choice to work on. So any of them that you want to do is fine as long as you do 18 of them. So let's say you're going to do the Revolutionary War, preparing for war. Okay, so there's stage 1. You're going to answer 4 out of 5 questions correctly. You would hit start. Okay, and this is just a timeline right here. And you would answer based on the timeline which statements are true. Select all that apply. And then you're going to click any of these that are true and submit them. And so you have to make sure you beat the full challenge to get your score for it. So that's how you do this one. You can go back to social studies. Let's say name the countries of Europe. Region 3. You're going to go here and you're going to click start. So you want to collect 10 tokens in order to get your challenge. So it's saying what country is this, and then you would type in what country that is. That one's not required, but if you want to do that one, you can. Like I said, there's a lot of other things talking about government, constitution, legal system, citizenship, all kinds of different things that have to do with social studies. So pick whichever ones you want. Make sure you try to do at least 3 every day until next Thursday, and you should be able to get them all done and accomplished.